The Mustang parts. Those are a dime a dozen. 57 Chevy Fender. They make those aftermarket. Nice old bike. Nice diesel Ford quad cab dually just drove by me. It was really clean. They only wanted $3 grand for it. $29.95.
Need one, or I mean, I could use it in my car, but I'm gonna put something.
Oh yeah.
Later.
Right.
But, it's like $20.
Radiator. So you got all this junk stuff too. I like that. Alright.
Hello.
Hi. That's a good deal.
Find something you just can't live without.
Big fan. But he's packed up. They're leaving early. You got the Flowmasters in the back. Yeah, everybody's leaving early. I was hoping they would have waited till still probably got a good 2 hours left. A bunch of new stuff. It's an old car leaving for sale. This is the first Sunday every month. I think it was January or something. They were having a winter extravaganza. It's like 5 days. I think it's January or February. The Sunday first every month, rain or shine, they meet. All the swap meet. What they got over here? I gotta go over to the car show. Bunch of old 50s car parts there. Truck, all taken apart. He wanna run us over. See how old Cutlass over there. Look at that. Altered wheelbase. That sucks that they're closed. I got my Cuda up front. Only a couple of Novas over there. We should run over there. I'm into muscle cars. But this is cool too. Let's see what kind of engine's in it. It's got a looks like a Chevy. I don't like when they do that little cheap thing thrown together. It's a Chevy though. I should probably run over to those Novas. Those look pretty cool. This old, I like the old custom Corvettes. That Corvette Fever stuff. I had a Nova with some wheel flares on it. My buddies hated those wheel flares and they wanted me to take them off, and I wasn't going to take them off. Some California wheel flares on the back, and they ripped it off. I wasn't too happy about that. He's like, those are gay. I'm like, no, I like them. He ripped them off. Oh, there's my wheels. Think you mind if I just get the wheels for my chauffeur? We can look at them. This is set on Craigslist right now for $300. What? Need a blower? He's got a few. I put that blower on Craigslist for $700 for that guy. You know, stuff like that, deals like that come around when you ain't got no money in your pocket. I would have bought that. I was part of a big block. We got the Mystery Machine. Oh, it says Mystery Machine on it too. This is old, huh? It's the Mystery Machine. For sale, anybody wants it? It's a 67. It says Mystery Machine right on it. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. It's got a little Scooby paraphernalia in there. Prior door was ripped off by Monster. It's got some torque flights on it, huh? No, those are those Daisy wheels. Daisy 200s or something. Look at Shaggy. Yeah. This could be another one. Red rails. Gotta watch where you step. Some SS hubcaps. Alright. Yeah, the nitrous tank in this truck. 3,500. Up north they sell those real expensive. Oh, he's got a big chopper. Got a truck for sale too. Corvette Pro Street. It's a nice truck, huh? I'd drive something like that. I'd rather drive that than that 2003 I had. I had that 2003 F100, F-150. See more swap meet stuff over there. I'm gonna run over there. Gonna miss those Novas, I bet. They're still there on the trailer. Skate through here real quick. Larry Bird. Well, look at the old cars. It's a nice Firebird. Vermont, huh? 57 Florida plate. I got no money. I only came out $60. I might need that for gas on the way home. Yep, Stevie's a broke ass. There's the new stuff. We don't look at that. No new stuff. Ooh, Testa's $5. Skinnies and fats. Willy bars. Well, Mustang 2 wheels. Got sweat dripping in my eyeballs. Me and my brother were looking at Bellhausen's for his 69 Firebird. His car came with the M21, which is missing in action. I have that rear spoiler. This one comes with the socket. I have that rear spoiler at my house for sale. Seen them as low as like $30 on Craigslist before. A couple of door skins. Looks like a Mustang. What's the other one? Camaro. Got a bunch of rear ends. Got Mustang trim. Gas caps. Horns. More Camaro. Trans Am. Wings. Spoilers. Mustang, those are for the fastback. GSX, top up, bunch of Mustang parts.
You're the second person to ask for seatbelts. But I told him they were over there. He never.
That was off a Mustang, like a 428 or the 351 Cleveland's. That hood's coupe. Some doors, transfer cases, transmissions, Mustang seats with holes in them. Got some parts over there, Mustang stuff, Ford grills, doors. Oh yeah, I see a chassis over here. Alright, sweat running in my eye.